These quiet words, they carry me away. Returning, they keep coming back. In idle thoughts and hollow cutaways, this army, no will to attack. Though the sorrow and fear, they may depart you. Today I will fail you, of that I'm sure. I will remind you of the pain forevermore. And when my sins are just a memory, faith restore, I will fail you to the core. Lost in the shadow of an endless grace, relentless, my reign is unbound. In this abandon I will devastate, dismember till agony's found. Though the sorrow and fear, they may depart you. Today I will fail you, of that I'm sure. I will remind you of the pain forevermore. And when my sins are just a memory, faith restore, I will fail you to the core. I know they prey upon me, I feel them just beyond my door. I will fail you, of that I'm sure. I will remind you of the pain forevermore. And when my sins are just a memory, faith restore, I will fail you to the core. I will fail you, of that I'm sure. I will remind you of the pain forevermore. And when my sins are just a memory, faith restore, I will fail you to the core.